Hello there. Good day once again from Mr. Try It Out. Welcome to my channel. So this will be my third video, and recently I received a gift. It's an advance happy birthday gift coming from my wife, thanks to her. And once again, I'm wearing the mask. I won't reveal who I am. And my first time to see this. I'm really very happy to see what's inside of it. It's my first time to open this. I don't know this brand. I think the brand says Insta 360. So, as it says here, creator bundle. So must be something else, because I think my wife secretly believes in what I'm doing. So yeah, she didn't tell me that she believes in me in creating content, but this is like her way of telling me that 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 she believes in me in creating contents, basically. So once again, here's trying out another video. So right now we'll be doing an unboxing for this thing. And from my video standpoint, it's very amateurish, I know. It's my third video anyway. So yeah, let's see what I can do here. So Insta 360, tiny hands, free 4K cam, creator bundle, it says. Insta 360, yeah. And this looks huge. What's in front of it? Hands-free POV, low light excellence, waterproof. Yeah, I saw this. It says waterproof right here. Waterproof to 33 feet. That's pretty deep. AI powered editing. Okay, nice. What else is in here? In the box it says standalone camera. Okay, standalone camera. Hope you can see it. And then here it says action pod, quick release safety cord, magnet pendant, and then USB-C cable, lens guard, magnetic easy clip, quick release mount. Okay, I don't know how that works. Quick release mount for what? Mini 2-in-1 tripod, nice. 2.0 pivot stand, okay, nice. Quick start guide and a warranty card. All right, of course. Where is this made? I don't know where this is made, but the address is from China. Okay. All right. Anyway, without further ado, oh, by the way, it also works with Find My device, I guess. But I'm using a MacBook, but my phone. Box. Yeah. All right. So this is somewhat some kind of casing, I don't know. And this is the box. It's a black box. So how do we open it? Okay, let's see. In the box, we got certain items. A standalone camera, so let's see. Standalone camera, huh? Pivot stand. I think this is the camera. Lightweight and portable. Yeah, okay. Insta 360 Go Ultra, tiny hands, free 4K cam. I don't know how much my wife bought this, but I think she spent quite a lot to gift me this. Okay, this is the camera. I'll just set this aside. This is the tripod. All right. Mini 2-in-1 tripod 2.0. Cool. All-in-one design. Uses a selfie stick or fold out the built-in tripod. Compatible with the Insta360 mini remote to start and stop recording with a click. Mini remote sold separately. Okay, no problem. Okay. Okay, let's figure it out. Set this aside. And then we got this, I see this pivot stand. As we can see here, pivot stand. You see, right? Oh, nice. So you, just like in the picture, you can put it on a guitar, perhaps on my bike one day, or when I'm cooking. I will try. I think this one. We get the quick release mount. Insta360 Go Ultra quick release mount. So it says mount a standalone camera or action pod with a strong magnet and clasp for extra protection. Right. I think this one is distributed from the US. I'm not sure. Made in China. Okay. All right. Nah, no problem. I think the GoPros are made in China too anyway. Most of them. Let's begin maybe with this thing right here. The mini tripod or the camera, I guess. Let's open the camera. I'm excited to open it. But I think I don't have a cutter to cut it through. Scissors maybe. All right. I actually got no plans to record a video today or how I'm gonna do it. Well, actually I have a plan, but I just know how to do it. I just figured out why not just do it anyway. So here's the camera. Alright, let's open it. And opening the thing, the camera. Alright. Take it off. Let's see. Now, once again, I don't want to destroy the box. 4K 60 FPS, as you see here. 4K 60 FPS. Huh? Oops. Oh, wow. That is the camera, I guess, right there. This is the camera. Looking at it, yeah? Right. Oh wow, it's cool. Go create. So inside of it, it says go explore. Okay, I will. Go enjoy. I will. Go capture. Definitely I will. Go create, which I'm doing right now. I'm creating using the camera from my MacBook. All right. Ooh. There's stickers. Insta360 right here. Quick start guide. And a warranty card. It looks like such, yeah, 普通话, Chinese characters. Insta360 extended warranty, as it says. That's the warranty card, so I'll have to keep this anyway. Safety guidelines, which I have to read, of course. This will take some time, but I'm gonna read it later. Set aside. Insta 360 app, tutorials, user manual, guide. Okay. Okay, so this is. All right, and the quick start guide also looks cool. At first it looks complicated because it's my first time to have this kind of device. So I'm pretty excited. We're actually going abroad. Not too far from now. But this is one of the things that I will do, is to bring this one and create. Okay, now we got the accessories for the camera, and I think it's covered with a thin film right here, which I shouldn't remove, I guess. Not yet. To cover it. Once again, I don't want to ruin the box. So the camera is here, and I think it has this magnetic thingies at the back. So I'll just set the camera aside, and this is, what is this? Rotate the gray area 180 counterclockwise to adjust the shooting angle from what? Do not use if you have a pacemaker. I don't have a pacemaker, luckily. I don't plan to have one. See, if you have a pacemaker, that means you have a heart problem. Ah, cool. So, I have to carefully. I see. You can rotate it 180. Yeah. Yeah. Now, let's face this side then. So you put your camera like this right here. So it has a magnet. See? It's magnetized. It's cool. But let's go back. There's so much more to see here with our device. Okay, I have to be careful putting it back. I don't know what this is. A cable of some sort. Nah, I don't want to remove it yet. Seems complicated. What is this now? What's that? Oh no. I don't know what this is. What's inside of it? Oh God. Okay. Whatever this is. Headset? Headphones? I don't know. What is this? I don't know what this is. Is this some kind of microphone or quick release safety cord? I think this is the one, the quick release safety cord. This the third item here. I think this is the one. Yeah. Yeah, I think it is. Let me just put it back. All right. We got the standalone camera. Action pod. I don't know. Maybe that's the action pod right there with the magnet or oh, this is the magnet pendant. The one right here. This is the magnet pendant, and as you can see, you have to carefully take it out because it's a pretty strong magnet. See? Camera doesn't fall. Cool. Then a lens guard. I don't know. A warranty card, yeah, we got it already. Quick start guide, we got it already. Magnetic easy clip. I think this is the magnetic. Ew, my goodness. Okay, it even has the silica gel inside of it, as you can see. Huh? So, this is the thing. Yeah, can you see? Insta 360 Go Ultra. This is the press and hold the lock. Yeah, it has press and hold the lock to remove the standalone camera from the action pod. All right, let's see what is this about. Oh, it even has the action pod is water resistant, it says here. Not waterproof. All right, clearly do not use it underwater. Ensure the standalone camera is dry and clean before placing it in the action pod. Yeah, clear, loud and clear. Read that. All right. Next thing is the what do you call this thing? Magnetic easy clip. Magnetic easy clip, I think. So let's take off the camera from here. All right. So once again, this is the camera. Okay. And we will pair it together with those things in there. These metal things in there. Oh. So that's how it works. Then. Okay. So that's what you have to press. This one and that one right here. But I think the camera is safer here anyway. All right, cool. Now, setting these things aside. What is this thing? Oh, it's a clip. Okay, it says caution. Be careful when opening the clip to avoid pinching. Remove and store promptly after use. All right. Let me just put this thing in. Oh no, I already ruined it. Get back. So I think this one also has a camera magnet. Oh, okay, I see. It has a magnet too. It has a magnet too. Yeah? All right, cool. Okay, time to set this aside. Anyway, let's do the tripod, which is cool. Using my scissors again. Tripod. Okay. This is the tripod. Right. There's so much things to open. Oh my god. Insta 360 mini 2-in-1 tripod. Gebrauchsanleitung. Alright, this is the tripod. Alright, what are these things falling? What are these things falling? What is that? I don't know what that is. 3M, it looks like some kind of tape. And this thing, whatever this thing is, I don't know what this is inside. And this thing too. This is a creator bundle, so I don't know what to do next, to be honest with you. Ooh, Oh wow. So this is, I think, the stick. Ah. Oh wow. Oh. So this is now a tripod. How do we put the camera? I don't know. Perhaps it's this things right here that we have to put in. Let's start with these. There are two things. And then there's also another one here inside. I don't know what that is. Interesting, huh? Oh my goodness. There's so much more to see. And it's already been 30 minutes and I just keep talking with to the camera about this. Like I said, this is my channel, try it out. So I'm trying things out that I don't know. I have no idea about. What is that for? Yeah, you see? It's a screw. Oopo. But what for? To get this in? Hello? Ooh, it looks like a screw. A screw of some sort. So, look at the screw. Yeah? So I think I have to put this in like this, right? I think so. And then what now? Do it like that. And then I put this screw. Yeah, I'm not sure. Yo, I don't know what I'm doing. I have no idea what I'm doing. Oh my goodness. And then you put the screw in? I guess. All right. Looks about it. Looks just like it. Looks just like it. Okay. So what do we do then with the others? So, okay. Mini 2-in-1 tripod. I'm just learning this now, you know. It's my first time to have something like this. I'm really happy. Who knows? One day when my channel becomes well known, if it will be, you know, my goal is just to have fun and leave my mark on the world. And you know, just to let people know that I exist, and this will be part of my contribution to the world in some way, you know. Huh. Okay, so what do we do? We put it in like this. Okay. We put it in like that. No. Okay. But how? I can't figure out how to put this thing in here. I'll try to figure it out next. Because I don't know what this thing is for, you know. What do I put there? I think this is a vital part of it. I don't know what this is, what this stuff is, but I'm gonna take it out. I never thought just doing an unboxing can be will take a lot of effort, but I'm just having fun right now as we're doing it, as I'm recording. What is this thing? Yeah, you see this thing, something comes out, something solid. What are you doing here? What are you for? What are you good for? It says micro SD cards slot. So this is where you put the micro cards. I don't know if you can read the thing. Micro card SD slot, something like that. Okay, now that's out of the way. What's next? How do we put the camera in? I have to study this. I have to study this. This will take some time to know. Oh, what am I doing? Yeah, I copied it exactly, but I don't know what I'm really doing. This, oh, I didn't know you can open this from earlier. I see. But what is this for? What is this for? Why do you need to open this thing? There's so much more. There's so much that I don't know. So much that I don't know. Huh. Okay. I'm confused so far. Yeah. See what we can do with this quick release mount. Okay, once again, the scissors is our friend. I don't know if this is connected to this thing or it has a relation to it, but I will just trying to see what we can do with it. Let me just take the tripod out in the meantime. Take out the mess for the tripod. Then let's release this. It says, oh, can you read it? Mount the standalone camera or action pod with a strong magnet and clasp for extra strong protection. Okay. Instructions for use, of course. Oh no, you put this here. Okay. And then, yeah. What then? I don't know. Sounds weird. That looks weird. I don't understand. There's so much to learn. Is this part of this thing? Oh. So, maybe I guess it connects here. Quick release mount. Where I put the camera. Oh my god, there's so much to learn. I thought it's gonna be simple. No, it's not. Yeah. I wanna just figure this out. Then put there. It has this two slots right under it. Oh, I guess you put that in like that, and then you put it like this. Am I right or wrong? I don't know what I'm doing, but I will see. Is that what it's for? Huh? Huh. I think that's it. Yeah. And you can put it down like this. You can put it up like that. Put it up like this. Huh. Okay. What is this for? I'm confused. So much to learn. Anyway. The last part is what we call the pivot stand. See? So I think this is the screen, and it's because I saw this blue thing that you can pull off. But I'll just put it in the meantime. But I'm actually fascinated with it. Cool. And then you can choose to make it look like, if you want to take videos like this and see what's going on for yourself, or you can just easily mount it. Yeah, not bad, right? All right. So, oop, my goodness. All right. So, the last part is this pivot stand. So let's see what it's about. This one looks cool. I think it's a suction, because you can put it on your guitar, and this is a dashboard, I think. Okay. Dope. Take it off. Right. My goodness. Ooh, please don't get destroyed. I don't want to destroy you or anything. Ooh. Okay. So once again, it comes with a manual. Insta 360 Go Ultra manual. Right? I don't understand this thing. What is this for? Pivot. So it says pivot. You can pivot here. It has this the pivoting point in here, so you can pivot there. You can pivot backwards. Yeah, backwards. You can pivot forward. Yeah, you can pivot sideways, left and right. You can pivot. You can just get it straight or just like this. See? And then yeah, this is a suction. So let's say I want to put it here. You screw this in, this suction thingy. I cannot read it really this time. Only use the sticky base or on clean dry surfaces. Press down hard during application to affix securely. Noted that. Close the cover after use to prevent the sticky base getting dirty and losing adhesiveness or stickiness. So you mount it on certain things. All right. Okay. So I will just put it back. So my wife will be excited when she gets home. She wants me to open this with her, but I told her I'm gonna make content first. So yeah. So there we go with our review, and I'll see what I can do with the camera. I haven't turned it on yet. I don't know if I should charge this, but it's all it does. I'm trying to turn it on, it doesn't turn on. So yeah. Oh, I see. Well, I just turned it on without me knowing it. So of course the language that I'll be choosing is English. It still has the protector. I don't want to take off the protector just yet. Uh, should I? Should I not? I will not take off the protector yet. Let's go to just English. Next. It wants me to download the Insta 360 app in the App Store or Google Play to activate the camera. Alright. Anyway, that's all for now. Don't worry, it's not a bad camera. It's just that I haven't. Taken off the film yet. I don't know why. It doesn't look so clear on the camera, but it's clear as day for me. It's HD actually. So, yeah, that's all for now. Thank you for being with me here at Try It Out. It's been about almost an hour just to do this thing. So okay, I'll turn the device off. Okay, have a good day. So once again, here we are, trying it out. My channel, please subscribe, like and subscribe my channel, and join me on my journey. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.